Eevee Next in Blender 4.2 is getting closer to cycles. It now gives us shadows from HDRIs, as well as offering us ray tracing, better shadows and indirect lighting. But you might be wondering where your beloved bloom checkbox went. Well, it's gone. But instead you can add bloom in the Compositor. To use it, first let's turn on the real-time compositing. Under viewport shading, enable always to see compositing results in the 3D viewport. Then enable use nodes in the Compositor. Add a glare node and set it to bloom. You can adjust it by changing the mix value and the size value. For comparison, here's the old version of Eevee, and this is Eevee Next, just called Eevee in Blender 4.2. And finally, this is cycles.